So hello friends, welcome to my channel Lemon Coaching Center. Today I am going to explain that is the 11th standard, that is 12th standard biology 10th chapter microbes in human welfare part. One video, and here only I will explain all the topics of this chapter. So let's come to the chapter. So bacteria cannot be seen with naked eyes, but these can be seen with the help of microscope. If you have to carry a sample from your home to your biology laboratory to demonstrate the presence of microbes under a microscope, which sample would you carry and why? So curd can be used as a sample for study of microbes. Curd contains numerous lactic acid bacteria, or lactobacillus we can say. These bacteria produce acids that coagulate and digest milk proteins. A small drop of curd contains millions of bacteria which can be easily observed under a microscope. Let us know some examples how to prove that the microbes release gases during metabolism. Let us know about that. So bacteria and fungi carry out the process of fermentation, and during this process they release carbon dioxide. So fermentation is the process of converting a complex organic substance into simple substance with the action of bacteria and yeast. As you all know, you may have learned in your lower classes, like this glucose without oxygen, alcohol plus energy plus, that is carbon dioxide. Next, the dough used to making of idli and soda gives a puffed appearance. This is because of action of bacteria which releases carbon dioxide, and this CO2 releases from the dough gets trapped in the dough, thereby giving it a puffed appearance. As you know, the idli will be very much puffed. So it will be like spongy and puff, like puff cake. You may have know about that. Like this spongy will be. In which food would you find lactic acid bacteria? Let us know about their useful application. So lactic acid bacteria can be found in curd. As we learned, we can take the bacteria to our biology laboratory. That is the curd we can take. By that we can test the bacteria. Like that only, it is the bacterium that promotes the formation of milk into the curd, and also lactic acid bacteria is also found in our stomach, which helps in kills the disease that are present on the food. So let's name some traditional Indian food made of wheat, rice, Bengal grain, which involves the use of microbes. So wheat, as you know, bread, cake, and rice, idli, dosa, and Bengal gram is dhokla, khandvi. So let's know in which way have microbes played a major role in controlling disease caused by harmful bacteria. So several microorganisms are used for preparing medicines. As you all know, medicines are prepared by several uses of microorganisms, and antibiotics are medicines produced by certain microorganisms to kill the disease caused by microorganisms. And these medicines are commonly obtained from bacteria and fungi. And penicillin notatum produces chemical penicillin, which checks the growth of Staphylococcus bacteria in the body. And antibiotics are designed to destroy bacteria by weakening their cell walls and other things. So next topic is, let us know about the two species of fungi which are used in the production of antibiotics. Antibiotics are medicines that are produced by certain microorganisms to kill other disease causing microorganisms. These medicines are commonly obtained from bacteria and fungi. So they are the antibiotics and fungus source. So let us know as antibiotic, that is penicillin, that is get the fungus source from which fungi we get is the Penicillium notatum, penicillin medicine, and cephalosporin, that is from Cephalosporin aceronium. From this fungi we get that. antibiotic. Next, let us know about the sewage. Sewage is the municipal waste matter that is carried away in sewers and drains. It includes both liquid and solid waste rich in organic matter and microbes. So sewage water is major cause of polluting drinking water. Hence, it is essential that sewage water is properly collected, treated, and disposed. Next, primary sewage treatment and secondary sewage treatment. So it is it is the mechanical process involved in the removal of coarse solid materials from the sewage waste. And in secondary sewage treatment, it is a biological process involving the action of microbes. And for primary, it is the inexpensive and relatively less complicated. And secondary sewage it is very expensive and complicated process. Next, let us know about the microbes. Let us know. Microbes can also be used as source of energy. Yes, it can be also used as source of energy. Bacteria such as methane bacterium is used for generation of gobar gas, as you know, biogas. The generation of biogas is an anaerobic process in a biogas plant which consists of concentric tank for sufficient outlet and inlet, as you know, biogas. Next, microbes can be used to decrease the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Let us know about that. So microbes play an important role in organic farming, which is done without the use of chemical fertilizers or pesticides. Organic farming is done without use of any chemicals. Biofertilizers or living organisms which helps in increase the fertility of soil, and it involves the selection of beneficial microorganisms that helps in the improvement of plant growth. And many species of bacteria and cyanobacteria have the ability to fix free atmosphere nitrogen, and many other concepts out there. Next, let us know about the 3 water samples, namely river water. So biological oxygen demand is the method of determining the amount of oxygen required by microorganisms. That microorganisms is required to decompose the waste present in the water supply or water. And out of the above 3 samples, sample C is the most polluted since the maximum BOD volume of this is 400 milligram or liter. After this or 20 or 8 milligram, so this is the highest milligram. So that 20 milligram liter, the sample A, it belongs to secondary effluent discharge from the sewage treatment plant, and 8 river water, and this 400 is untreated sewage water that are not used, that are not cleaned, or that are we can say. Let us know about this. So let us find out the name of the microbes from which cyclosporin 1 and A and statins are obtained. So cyclosporin immunosuppressive drug, it is that contains Trichoderma polysporum, and statin, it is blood cholesterol lowering agent that has monococcus purpurus bacteria. Let us know about single cell protein and soil. So a single cell protein is a protein obtained from certain microbes which forms an alternate source of proteins in animal feeds. The microbes involved in the preparations of a single cell protein or algae, yeast or bacteria. And soil. So microbes play an important role in maintaining soil fertility. They help in the formation of nutrient-rich humus by process of decomposition. Next, let us know about the next thing is biogas, citric acid and penicillin and curd. So penicillin, biogas, citric acid and curd, this is the real arrangement from produced according to their decreasing importance is. So penicillin is the most important product for the welfare of human society, and it is an antibiotic which is used for controlling the bacterial diseases. And the second most is the biogas, it is eco-friendly. And the third, next is the citric acid that are used for food preservative. And the least important product is curd, a food item obtained by the amount of lactobacillus bacteria on milk. Finally, the last question of your chapter microbes is, so this is, how do fertilizers enrich the fertility of the soil. So biofertilizers are living organism which helps in the increase of fertility of soil. It involves the selection of beneficial microorganisms that help in the improvement plant growth through which the supply of plant nutrients. These are introduced to seeds, roots or soils to mobilize the availability of nutrition by the biological activity. So okay friends, this was your chapter microbes in human welfare. So like the video, comment on my video and subscribe my channel and go to the center for more video. So okay friends, I will explain the another chapter in the next video. So till then, take care, have a nice day, watch my video.